So pharmacy has been tremendously affected by coronavirus, COVID-19, in that sort of in the first instance, sort of the volume of traffic, footfall through pharmacies has increased enormously in the same way that we've seen, sort of panic buying of food supplies. The same has been the case with individuals understandably wanting to stockpile their medication, not knowing what's coming down the road. They've also experienced GP surgeries having to close, which again has increased the footfall through pharmacy, which, as you know, is one of the very few services that has remained open at this time. And so they've been under tremendous pressure, both in terms of meeting the needs of their customers and their patients, but indeed protecting their own staff and themselves. And like with the NHS staff and indeed, sort of the key workers, in the current environment, pharmacies are very much a part of that. And so whilst you would like to think that in the long term, this will raise their standing in the community, they've been a fairly embattled profession in recent years. So the hope is that, for all that they're going through at the moment, that the sector will actually come out the other side, sort of both more widely regarded in the sort of general public as a whole, but also better funded. That's absolutely imperative. Yeah, so RxBridge had its busiest month ever, the month of March. Despite the challenging working environment, both within our business, but more particularly within pharmacy businesses who are on the front line of tackling this pandemic. But we are absolutely open for business. We are a tech-enabled company that is geared up for the current working environment. And whilst, like everybody, we have our concerns and anxieties about, the sort of what's happening in the world generally, our business is otherwise unaffected, and we are continuing actively looking to write more pharmacy business and support those pharmacies, with their working capital needs at this very challenging time. So we have a ready-made solution for the current problem that a lot of pharmacy businesses are facing. So, CBILS is, will provide, say, a loan over time. What we have is a facility that you can use as per your requirements. You can draw down as little or as much as you need from month to month to meet your working capital needs. So, I would advocate that the RxBridge facility is a ready-made solution for the problem that a CBILS loan is trying to resolve. So one of the biggest challenges that pharmacy businesses face right now is cash flow. There is a huge demand on them to source medication. We're seeing sort of wholesale prices increasing as there is a greater demand and impacted supply. So prices are going up. The absolute priority for all pharmacy businesses is to look after their customers, their patients. And so that's where their focus should be. What an RxBridge facility can provide is some flexibility and some peace of mind, so that actually one thing that they don't need to worry about is their immediate cash flow. Their priority should be the welfare of their customers.